So it's about 10 to 6 in the morning and I'm at the Bangsaen 7-Eleven for caffeine. I got my coffee. Feeling pretty good after a restful evening in my dodgy hotel, which wasn't as dodgy as I thought because the bed was actually pretty comfortable. So all good in the hood. It's either a shipment of top quality fresh seafood or I've just caught onto an illegal drug syndicate. So you can see behind me the Bangsaen walking track. So it's around about 4.5 kilometre track. So really good 1.5 hour return walk from Bangsaen up to the walking street. So if you like to walk, like to exercise, good place to come. This young fellow called out to me, but he's not been very talkative since. Okay, I'm still walking down here along the Bangsaen Beach and here comes the running club. God, these guys are pretty enthusiastic. Very serious.
Morning.
Good morning, everybody. Good on yous. Good morning. Morning. I'm not sure whether they were thinking that I was one of them, but I can assure you I'm not. It's been quite a few years now since I've had a decent run. I did, however, run a full marathon and complete it with just on 4 hours back in 2000 and I want to say 2012. I have to check the date, but it was just after I got treated for cancer. I had some chemo and I thought to myself, I can either sit in my misery or I can get fit. So I decided to get fit, and like Forrest Gump, I decided that running was my thing for a while and I ran a lot, a hell of a lot. So I'm already having my second coffee fit. I saw this little cafe during my walk and it really is a case of the best seat in the house. Check this out. Surprise, surprise, I'm still down the beach. Kind of had the intention to go and have a look at a few of the temples in the area, but I found it pretty hard to move away from this spot. As you can see, looking amazing today because as I touched on yesterday, the lack of tourism on the beach area has actually resulted in it cleaning up. I am getting a little bit concerned about the cloud activity behind me. Where are we? There's a lot of build up over there, sort of over the top of Pattaya at the moment. I think they're getting drenched, so I expect that I might get a little bit wet on the way home today, which is okay. I don't have to stop anywhere. It's only an hour or so if I went straight through, or maybe an hour and a half. I'll just put the old visor down and hope for the best, because it seems to me that in Thailand, as soon as you put rain on the road, they want to drive faster, they want to take more risks, yet the braking ability of the cars is obviously highly reduced. but that seems to encourage them to drive even more crazier. So who knows? Hopefully I'll get home safe. If I don't, I'll never know. Hey, if you like my content, you might consider subscribing. If you don't, just watch something else. Thanks.